What's this?
Chicken.
What's that?
Apple.
Good job. What's that?
Food.
That's right.
A kitty. A turkey. A egg. A frog. A cake.
Back up.
A house.
What's this?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Igloo.
Igloo.
Igloo. What's this one?
I know.
Yes, you do.
Jello's hard.
Jello.
Jello. What's that?
A kite.
Yay, what's that?
A nugget.
What is that? A nightlight. That's pretty good. What's this?
Nightlight.
Connor, come back. What's this?
A nugget.
Good job. What's that?
A bottle.
No, what are those?
I know.
Yes, you do.
Number.
That's right. the
Numbers.
What's this?
What's this?
What?
A.
What is that? What is, you're climbing, but what is this?
What's this?
That's
Oranges.
right. What's this guy?
A penguin.
Good job.
Penguin.
What's this? We're almost done. Come here. What's that?
No.
She starts with a Q.
Q. Cookies.
Is it queen? Is that, what is that?
One, okay?
Connor, come on, just a couple more.
What is this?
More. Okay, one.
Go
What's
back
this
to
one?
the queen.
One.
Connor, what's that one?
What's this?
And one more, okay?
Oh, he's done.
One more.
You
Good
did pretty
job,
good.
Connor.